all the way.
Can you see the water going down or no?
Yeah.
Close it.
Yeah. Okay. Got it going down.
Open it. Water going down.
Yeah, it's moving.
Let's see.
Let's see.
That's so much snow. That was going there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, now it's yeah, you got it.
Oh yeah. It's draining good.
What do you see?
Because I can feel it. The drain's right here. When you put your hand over it, it's going very well. Okay, let's pack it up.
Good job you did over here.
What's that?
That trench drain we put in a couple of years ago. That trench drain, we did nothing for it, put it in. Boy, it's crazy.
See, sir.
Look how neat that is, man.
Oh.
No problem. You had to change that, you couldn't do it. Look at this.
A lot of water in this thing.
I know, it's not even on.
It's not.
The battery dead.
What battery? Of course it's on.
Yeah,
I turned that off. That's not on.
the red light.
No, it's in front of you, buddy. This way.
Oh,
Here. Yes. There she goes. Now you can see it clearly going down. That's it. Nuts. See, there's no filter here.
How do you know?
Well, do you see one?
No.
Well, that's the problem.
Told Kat to put it in.
Well, the filters are up here, but somehow it all got down here. Okay. That's it for us. Everything's okay. That's all, folks.